Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely wicked cool 1969 Ford F100 complete custom built frame off rotisserie restoration. And I mean wicked cool truck, man. This, if you're looking for a Ford, this one's gonna be tough to beat. Killer color combination. This is Indian Fire Metallic, and then it's got the Parchment interior, bucket seat interior. Complete custom drivetrain. It's got a 429 Ford EFI engine in it. It's got a C6 automatic trans with a gear vendor overdrive. It has a Crown Vic Independent Front Suspension. Guys, this is the third truck I've had with that Crown Vic suspension. Nothing drives like them. I mean, they drive, in my opinion, as good as a Roadster shop chassis. They drive great. Again, love this truck. A buddy of mine, Scott's the one who found it for me. Matter of fact, I think he bought it at the Ford Nationals. And you, like I say, you're just not going to find a nicer running, driving 69 Ford. This thing is killer. Love the paint. Again, Indian Fire Metallic, very cool color. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. I think this is the original grille, so there's a couple of little things as you walk you can kind of pick. But man, this thing is awesome. They've updated the headlights. Just gorgeous paint. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Tinted glass. Dual chrome mirrors. I'm not a big tonneau cover guy. This is completely removable. It's not screwed on or anything like that. It's held on with brackets, so you can pull it off if you don't like it. He drove this truck, so he would put his luggage back here when he traveled to shows. So, like I say, but it is completely removable. Look how nice this thing is. Great stance, 18-inch rocket wheels all the way around it. Oh, if you're seeing that, the guy's missed some dust in there. Oh no, I'm sorry. Actually, that's Rhino line. That's right. The bed is Rhino lined. Custom fuel tank underneath. Killer stance, and this thing rides and drives. You won't beat the way this thing rides. I mean, it just rides killer. Love the rocket wheels. I like the gold insets on it. This thing sits down nice, and it just rolls down the road. Power rack and pinion steering. Again, it's got a Crown Vic front suspension on. Third truck I've had, they've all drove like this. You can see it's got all iodized bolts on it. This is a 429 cubic inch with Vitec fuel injection on it, aluminum Edelbrock intake, ceramic Hedman headers, again, power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes. It's got vintage air conditioning, HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner, gorgeous set of finned aluminum valve covers, aluminum radiator with a shroud. Here's your factory jack. I mean, everywhere you look, this truck is just nice. That's for your Vitec fuel injection. Air blows ice cold. C6 automatic trans with a gear vendor overdrive. So this thing is built to drive. I would get in this thing and drive it anywhere. Great truck. We've got a picture book inside of the restoration on the truck. Like I say, every crack, all the cracks and crevices. I mean, this thing is just nice. This guy built the truck himself. See how he satined the jams? I thought that was pretty cool too. There's your original door tag. Look how clean the door seams are. I think Scott said this is the original interior. The truck's only got 62,000 original miles on it. Bucket seats, center console. Center console's got all the, your original owner's manuals and stuff like that. New carpet. Custom billet steering wheel. Cruise control works. Factory dash. Look how nice and clean that is. 62,244 on your odometer. That's your original miles on it. Retrosounds radio, it works. That's for your Phi-Tech fuel injection. Again, you see a picture book for the restoration. Your gear vendor switch is on the floor. You just push it with your foot. And then there's a little light that lights up in here, let you know that the overdrive is on. Padded dash. I think we showed you H-pipe Magnaflow dual exhaust. It's got a 9-inch, what is it? 320 traction lock rear axle. Again, this is all Rhino lined, so you can put stuff in it, not scratch the bed. And like I say, when he traveled to shows, this is so cool. When Scott sent me a picture, I didn't even know what this was. I just thought, oh, the guy must travel with his toolbox. Watch how neat this is. So you open this up, you want to put some tools in it. That's where you fill it. Isn't that neat? If you don't like that, that comes out with a couple of bolts, but he left it in there for people, which I think is super, super cool conversation piece. But that neck, you can mount it right, he said it'll mount right down to the bottom. But I just thought that was super cool. Again, tonneau cover's all removable. Very, very nice underneath. But right at a car show. So it is turn the key, take it to a car show kind of truck. Just a killer truck. I love the bucket seats, console, and again, here's all the restoration. You see, it's all dynamatted. That's all that goes with the truck. All Ford too. That's pretty cool. I know a lot of guys. It's got a Chevy motor. No, it's all Ford, which is really cool. Drive so sweet. Air blows ice cold. If you're a Ford guy, this truck's gonna be tough to beat right here. Love the stance, love the color. All your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Again, the cruise control works. Fit and finish is excellent on the truck. Backup lights work. Great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes so nice. Updated headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Man, look at that truck.